In a quiet town where it rained every single day, lived a young girl named Era. She loved the rain. But one evening, these raindrops are forgotten dreams.
What? That's impossible!
Every time someone gives up on their dreams, the sky turns it into rain. And if people stop dreaming completely, the rain will disappear forever.
So I made a choice. I began reminding people of their dreams.
An old painter picked up his brush again. A tired musician played his song once more. The rain began to glow. And slowly the rain began to glow. Not with sadness, but with hope.